Guys, so today's video we're gonna try to do Spider-Man. Let's go. Let's game on. And first thing first, like this. That. Let's do that. There we go. Sorry if it's bad. Because I'm not good at arts.
Ginawa ko yung sub.
Oh,
Ano ito? Ano ito?
ewan ko sa'yo.
Ito, ano to?
Ewan.
Ito?
Ewan nga.
E di ano to?
X-car.
Ito!
Bro, why does that look like a number school? Number school isn't a number school. Oh, there's a good one. We're gonna, oh no, we're gonna do this. There we go, we're gonna do this one. Hey, yo, what? The drawing is cut there.
Bilang kong dalawa, isa.
This drawing.
Kain kita dyan.
We're gonna throw myself.
Dalawa.
Yan.
Yeah!
Huwag to kay Bea, tsaka Johnny. Second chance. Second chance.
Sorry, baby.
Ay, kay Iyak.
Ano ba yung una niya yung one?
Ganda na.
No, not bad, not bad. Guys, I forgot to say to you, I'm a gold medalist.
Bago upload ko eh. 22 hours ago.
Kung gold, dapat kinagat mo.
Yung rito. Hindi ko mabuhay yung picture mo. Gusto mong bumaboy niyan? Ha?
Dati yung mata. May haki ako. Kuya, may haki ako. May haki ako. I'm gonna put my haki. May haki. Ay. I'm gonna put my haki.
Let me put your hack.
Comment down below, guys, if you love my hack. I'm covering up my picture for the hockey. There we go, hockey. There's a hockey coming. There's the hockey I have. I'm too strong. With the blue sleeves. Here we go with the blue sleeves. Here we go. Blueies. Good thing is coming. Yeah, there we go with the blue thingy.
Hurt pa rin.
No, the hockey is
Tanggalin
coming.
mo na.
There's a hockey is coming.
Hockey swordsman.
What you said?
Hacker swordsman.
There's that hockey I got. There's that hockey I got. I got the hockey.
Swordsman.
Mommy, I got the hockey. Daddy, I got the hockey of strongest swords. Strongest stick, Wonder Boy.
Ano record na yun?
Pinapakita ko lang. Guys, this is the hockey of my strong taekwondo journey. That's a cool hockey. Bye guys, thank you for watching my video.
And let me
Bye.
go.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay happy and never endeavor. Bye bye. Subscribe, like and subscribe guys.
You don't